Welcome to the latest update program. The topic of discussion is NASA's samples from Bennu. NASA recently revealed that samples from the 4.5 billion year old asteroid Bennu collected by the OSIRIS-REx mission indicate possible building blocks of life on the Earth. These samples have shown high carbon content and water-bearing clay minerals. Bennu, a near-Earth asteroid, has a composition that dates back to the early days of our solar system. The OSIRIS-REx spacecraft, launched in 2016, returned to Earth on September 24, 2023 with a larger than expected sample of around 250 grams from Bennu. Preliminary analyses have showcased the presence of abundant carbon and water. Over the next 2 years, further detailed analysis will be conducted. At least 70% of the sample will be preserved by NASA for future research. This endeavor is part of a long-standing tradition beginning with the Apollo 11 mission in 1969 of retrieving samples from space to better understand our universe.